When it comes to chronic pain, in general, the underlying issue is one of tension. But not just tension. Tension that doesn't alternate with a cycle of relaxation. So this inherent cycle of tension and relaxation, which should occur in our body at all times. If you think about it, that's how our heart pumps blood. That's how our diaphragms pump air. That's how our muscles move us. Muscles tense, and then they relax, tense and relax. And they alternate between sides of the body, right and left, and that's how we move forward. So tension is part of the human experience, and it has to be there, otherwise we would die. The problem becomes when the cycle of tension and relaxation stops occurring, and the cycle becomes tension, tension, tension. That means muscles never get to relax, and eventually the body realizes there's some sort of issue going on and we get pain. So tension by itself is not the problem. Tension that never gets to alternate with relaxation is the problem. So there's three main ways that I've dealt with this tension issue over my many years of pain, basically from the age of 13 until about 35 years of age. My three ways were: postural restoration is by far the most influential because it teaches your body to move properly. So when you lose the ability to move properly or equally on the right side and the left side of your body, in general, the right side of your body stays tense and the left side stays too relaxed, and it weakens. So without that alternation of movement between the right side and the left side, some muscles stay just too tense constantly and others stay too relaxed and they start to weaken. Massage also helps to address the issue of chronic tension by releasing muscles. That's pretty self-explanatory. The other one is meditation, because meditation allows you to build a better relationship with tension. Sometimes when you start to feel tense, you associate bad things with it and you start to get anxiety about those feelings. What I've learned through meditation is that tension builds up and then it releases, builds up and then it releases. And you can feel that occurring in your body as you meditate. The other thing that it has enabled me to do is it taught me to become curious about the pain that I was feeling. Now, it's not easy when you're in a lot of pain to remain curious, but by changing your attitude towards pain, it makes things less terrible. But what underlies all three techniques, massage, postural restoration, and meditation, is that you're tapping into the autonomic nervous system. And the autonomic nervous system is the system that's going on behind the scenes. It's automatically processing. It's automatically sensing your environment. And it is the system that is involved in producing pain. So all of these techniques are ways to reprogram or at least tap into the autonomic nervous system to give it a different output. So again, it's important to realize that tension by itself is not bad. Tension itself is not the cause of pain. Tension that doesn't alternate with relaxation is the problem. If you found this video to be informative or helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you could hit the like button or subscribe or both or share. Any of those three would be quite a help to me. Thank you.